smoothies, welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alyssia, and either way, I am so happy you're here. Today we are making 3 delicious, creamy, back-to-school smoothies. I love these recipes because they are so basic in the best possible way. They're tasty, they're reliable, they're only 4 ingredients, and really more like guidelines than hard, fast recipe rules, meaning you can mix and match the ingredients, keep what you want, leave what you don't, it's up to you. Okay, first up, my peaches and cream smoothie. In your blender, add frozen banana, frozen peaches, vanilla Greek yogurt, or you could use plain if preferred, and milk of choice. Blend it on up. That is basically all there is to it. The banana adds creaminess and a natural sweetness more so than a banana flavor because the peach is really the star of the show. The yogurt also adds sweetness and creaminess. I use vanilla flavor yogurt, which does have added sugar, but you could totally use plain as well. Peach is one of my favorite summer flavors, and this one does not disappoint. It almost tastes like a peach creamsicle and even had almost an ice creamy texture. I can't recommend this one enough. Okay, next is my basic blueberry smoothie. It's the same base as before. In your blender, add frozen banana, frozen blueberries, vanilla Greek yogurt, and milk of choice. Blend it up. It literally is the same base recipe, but swapping out the frozen fruit. I love how simple and reliable that makes it. The only decision you really need to make is adjusting the amount of milk based on how much water content the fruit has. So blueberries need less milk than the peach, for instance, but you do you. And really, what's the worst thing that can happen if you add too little milk, right? You get a thick, spoonable smoothie treat, and if you add much, then it's not as thick of a smoothie. You can always add more fruit or milk after too, so relax, it's gonna be fine. All right, you'll end up with a creamy smoothie where the tartness of the blueberries balance the sweetness and creaminess of the yogurt and banana perfectly. Okay, I saved the best for last, my watermelon smoothie. First, we need to freeze watermelon. Now, this is not a fruit that you're likely to find pre-frozen at the store. I like to make sure that my watermelon is chopped into little 1-inch pieces to make it more manageable. I fill quart-sized bags with 1 to 2 cups of it, but I don't want it to be too packed or get squished, so I do it in a flat-ish layer. Some people use ice cubes to thicken their attempts at a watermelon smoothie. In my opinion, this does not work. It ends up tasting like a slushie, which is not a smoothie. And if you want it to taste like a creamy smoothie, then freeze the watermelon itself. In your blender, add frozen banana, that frozen watermelon, frozen strawberries, some vanilla Greek yogurt, or again, you could use plain, and milk of choice. Blend it on up. I am using strawberries in this smoothie because they help to balance the high water content of the watermelon while also keeping the color red, and they're neutral enough of a fruit that they don't really impact the flavor. In fact, the watermelon is primarily what you taste. I cannot believe how refreshing this smoothie is. It's creamy from the banana and yogurt, but still has such a strong, fresh watermelon flavor. I like to garnish mine with a mint leaf for added freshness. I'm actually proud of these recipes because they almost reflect my journey with food over the last few years. I used to stress so much about the details and getting the recipes just right and about the nutrition and the health content, and these recipes are beautiful because they are the opposite of that. They're simple, they're nutritious, they're forgiving, they're flexible. I'm not stressing myself out over getting it right or being healthy. My body is also happier without the stress, and it actually tastes better too. So thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to head to mindovermunch.com for these recipes and more. They are all linked below. I will see you next time, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.